me say that I stand here very, very proud as a member of this particular caucus, the mighty minority. Mr. Speaker, for the past 1 week, we've all had the opportunity to debate this budget. And any objective observer would say that the clarity of thoughts, the depth of the knowledge, the research, the deepness of the research has been displayed by the minority side. And Mr. Speaker, there's one particular theme. There's one particular theme that runs through all the debates from our side. Mr. Speaker, honesty. Honesty. Members from our side have been extremely honest with the facts. Mr. Speaker, members from our side are even candid enough, Mr. Speaker, to acknowledge some good things in this budget. Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, I do not see say from our members, from our colleagues from the other side. All the debates that we've listened to from the majority side, none of them acknowledge the efforts by the Nana Addo Akufo-Addo government. All of them. They fail to acknowledge any good thing that occurred in our government. Mr. Speaker, a few months ago, we were told that 1,357 containers have vanished from the ports. The issue, Mr. Speaker, was debated in this house. And I recall the majority leader. He says, oh, heads must roll. How can containers develop wings? They've all moved away. I remember the minority leader advising them that they should take this as an opportunity to embark on major reforms within the energy sector. Mr. Speaker, thankfully, the energy minister listened to good advice. Today, after months of prayers and fasting, the containers have suddenly developed new wings. And Mr. Speaker, they have flown back into the same port. The same port. That is what I'm talking about, honestly, Mr. Speaker. I hear the finance minister with a very smiley face, talked about increment in revenue in ECG's operations. Mr. Speaker, that is true. Some increment has occurred. What he failed to say, Mr. Speaker, is that that increment is not because of the 10 months operations of ECG. Yes. What he failed to tell you, Mr. Speaker, that within the past 3 years, before the NDC came into power,